You know, Mother Nature has the strangest sense of humor. It was 60 2 days ago on Monday. And here we are. It is blizzard-like conditions right now on Wednesday. And it is March. Strangest sense of humor ever. Why I came outside, I don't know to do this. Ugh. I need it to be 60, 70 degrees again. That's what I need. Or even fall. I'll take fall. Oh, whew.